Welcome to 5 Perplexity AI hacks that will blow your mind. Imagine unlocking a toolbox of digital wizardry that not only answers your questions, but transforms the way you explore information. The first hack is the focus feature. This gem lets you fine-tune your queries so you only get the most relevant results. Instead of sifting through mountains of generic data, you can narrow your search to get academic papers, YouTube tutorials, or even niche content like in-depth tech reviews. It's like having a built-in filter that hones in on exactly what you need, saving you time and boosting your productivity. Next up is the Spaces feature. Think of Spaces as your personal research HQ. Every time you start a project or deep dive into a topic, like climate change, crypto, or the history of punk rock, you can save your conversations and sources into a dedicated space. You can name it, add a description, and even collaborate with others if you want to. It's perfect for ongoing work or passion projects where you're constantly gathering new insights and need everything in one place. The third hack revolves around switching between AI models. Perplexity AI isn't a one-trick pony. It lets you choose from different AI models depending on your needs. Need deep, nuanced answers? Opt for GPT-4. Looking for quick, snappy responses? Maybe try Claude 2.1. This versatility means you can tailor your experience to match the complexity of your queries, ensuring you always get the right level of detail and speed. Hack number 4 is all about this Discover tab. This feature acts like a dynamic, personalized homepage that curates trending topics and fresh content just for you. It's not just about what you search for, it's about what's happening in the world. Whether it's the latest in tech, a viral social trend, or breaking news, the Discover tab keeps your curiosity engaged and introduces you to subjects you might never have encountered otherwise. Finally, the fifth hack highlights the power of clickable citations. Every time Perplexity AI pulls together an answer, it gives you direct links to the source material. This isn't just a neat trick, it's a game changer for research and fact checking. It lets you quickly verify details, dive deeper into topics, and explore the original content without getting lost in endless search results. This transparency builds trust in the information you receive and turns every answer into a gateway for further exploration. Each of these hacks is designed to supercharge your Perplexity AI experience, making information access not just efficient, but downright exhilarating. Get ready to revolutionize your research and explore the web like never before.